be sharing with you my hamburg steak Japanese style recipe. But before that, let me do the intro. Ira. I love to dance. I love to sing. I love dressing up and pretend like a model. I love makeups. I love to cook. I love living my life to the fullest. And most of all, I love to laugh a lot. Welcome to my life.
How would you feel if I told you I loved you? It's just something that I want to do. I'll be taking my time, spending my life, falling deeper in love with you. So tell me that you love me too.
So while I'm busy mixing the mixture around here, why don't you consider visiting my channel? That's AIRASOCO, Ira Soco. I have there a lot of videos for you to see, and I also have prepared playlists for you to enjoy. And after that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. So to form the typical shape of the hamburg steak, you just have to catch and throw. Throw the mixture from your left hand to your right and vice versa. Make sure that there will be no air inside, because if there is air left inside, there will be possibility that the hamburg steak will crack once you cook it in a pan. And tap a little.
Taking my time, spending my life, falling deeper in love with you. So tell me that you love me too. Tell me that you love me too. Na, 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 na. Tell me that you love me too. Do, 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 How would you feel? Oh, no. It's just something that I want to do. I'll be taking my time, spending my life, falling deeper in love with you. So tell me that you love me too. If I told you I love you, so tell me that you love me too. If I told you I love you,
Father and Son, Holy Spirit. Tadakimasu.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Can I put tomato?
Hmm.
Mmm. Yummy.